Hello everyone and welcome to the Weather Centre. Today heralds the start of meteorological autumn for the Southern Hemisphere, and this is based on the global temperature cycles, meaning from now on temperatures are gradually going to start cooling over the next couple of months. There is also an astronomical start to autumn, and that is based on the autumn equinox, which takes place on the 21st of March, from which point our days become shorter than our nights. Here's a quick look at the first day of autumn's satellite picture. It was a hot day over South Africa, and in the afternoon a few thunder showers developed mainly over the western and southern interior, including parts of the eastern and northern Cape provinces. A look ahead to tomorrow, and it's going to be a cloudy start to the day for parts of the low veld, while on the high veld it'll be a partly cloudy afternoon. Thunderstorms redeveloping over a very similar area, and we expect scattered thunder showers to develop for some areas in the eastern Cape and southern KwaZulu-Natal, in particular around the mountainous areas. A weak front is going to be approaching from the west that won't have any effect on the country just yet, but could bring some rainfall to the Western Cape on Friday. There's an alert in place for tomorrow for a high fire danger along the west coast and the adjacent interior, and extending into the Karoo regions of the Western Cape during the course of Thursday afternoon. Taking a look at KwaZulu-Natal first, we see it's going to be a partly cloudy and hot day with thunder showers for parts of the interior. Those will be scattered in the south, including around Kokstad. And there's a good chance for thunderstorms over the northern parts of the Eastern Cape, isolated towards the coastline, and it's going to be a warm day for Grahamstown at 27 degrees. Warm as well along the south coast, where it's going to be partly cloudy and dry, Oudtshoorn and mostly sunny at 36 degrees. And it's going to be a warm day along the west coast, reaching 30 for Langebaan, but very hot as you head inland with temperatures getting into the mid-30s. Another hot day for the northern Cape. There could still be a few thunder showers over the central and eastern parts. Not much change from what we've seen over the last few days. And in the Free State, it's going to be partly cloudy and hot once again, with a couple of isolated thunderstorms for some areas. Similar conditions into the northwest, where Vryburg gets to a high of 34, starting off with a minimum of 18 degrees. And in Limpopo, there could also be a couple of those patchy thunder showers through the central parts, and a couple of showers passing through the northern lowveld. Musina, hot and humid, 33 degrees as your maximum temperature. In Mpumalanga, it's going to be a partly cloudy day, not too bad on the high veld. Ermelo gets to a pleasant 26, and it's going to be a warm to hot day in Gauteng. A minimum temperature of 16 degrees expected for Soweto and Johannesburg, and a couple of thunder showers possible later on. Winds remain light for most of South Africa on Thursday afternoon, although fresh later on for Sutherland, getting up to about 30 kilometers per hour. A look ahead to Friday, when thunder showers continue through the central and eastern parts, mostly isolated, and that weak cold front brings a few drops of light rain to some areas along the Western Cape coastline. On Saturday, the Western Cape will be clearer and drier, while scattered thunder showers will be developing on the high veld.